Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to make the candle making or lamp light. So first you have to take half of the blue paper and you have to make the three circles, three different size of circles. You take it and so many pieces you will take, and take the scale and you have to give the 2 inches of lining upside, and then you have to put the favicol. And now we will take the big circle, that big red one circle we will take and fold it in a half of the side. And if you want, you can use the brush or pen and you can fold like this and you can stick it here. Same as it is, we will do the next also. You can do like that, and you have to cover up the full line of this. Fold it and stick it again and again. When we will stick it, that time we will stick this in papers also. See, between of that also we will stick, but not now. Look at this. Now you have to take the orange paper. This is the second size of that circle, and I just fold it, and here also you will try to stick it. So this will be very easy, so that's why I just did like that. And same as it is, we have to leave the space between the red and orange shade. There is 2 inches, okay, and then you have to put the favicol and then you have to stick it here. Same as it is, we will stick here like this. Put favicol, little bit of that. Like this also you can do. Same as it is, again I just take a one more line, and now I'm taking the very small size. This is the third size of that circle, and then I just stick like this. See, I'm doing same as it is, and same you have to put the finger on the blue paper and then you have to stick like that. Now you have to cover up like this full. Here we have to make the so many of the circle. Here I am using the at least each circle is a 30 to 60. Now we have to use the ribbon, stick it here so it will be look clear. Now just cut it. Same as it is, we will do the next also. Put the finger that favicol, and then you will stick like this. Same as it is on the other also. Now look at this, it's all done. Now I am taking the other paper. This is for the downside. Here we will take the same size of the paper. I am taking the same width and I just cut it. Just cut the paper. Look at this, it's the same size. Now what we will do, we will take that, leave the 2 inches of space or 1 inch. This is up to you. Now here we will take that small cutting like this. Small strips you have to cut it, but don't cut it fully. We have to stop it with this red line, because these stripes we are using for the hanging portion. Now look at that. Here we will put the favicol. Now we will stick it on the back side of that. Now here we will stick the white ribbon, so it will be covered and it look nice. Now it's done. When it will be dry, then we will take this, put this favicol here. So we will fold this area, put it, and then just take it in your hand and try to round it like this, and you have to stick it like that. If you want, you can do stapler on the upside and the downside, so it will be dry. Now look at this. Now this is done. Now upside we will do the hanging for the ribbon. We will use it. Now look at this. Your candle is done. So you will hang it anywhere. Happy Diwali.